Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Marisa Placido, 41 years old, married. I have twin sons, 10 years old, and Roman Catholic. I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters. I'm the fifth in the family. I'm vocational graduate. I work. I have work experience in the Philippines for 5 years as domestic helper. I serving for member in the family, husband and wife, 1 year old boy and 4 years old boy. My duty and responsibility in my employer are taking care of the children, sending and pick up them from the school, cooking, preparing their meals, cleaning house, washing clothes, washing dish, ironing, marketing, and take care of pet. Sir, sir, ma'am, please hire me. I'm honest, responsible, trustworthy, and has a long patiently. I promise you that I promise to you that I will treat your family as my family too, and I will do serve your family better. Thank you and God bless.